guests to please come up on stage. Khurshid Rajmi ma'am, I would request you to please come up on stage. And the next award she's giving away is to Miss Richa Singh, Nest Award. The receptionist of this award is a single parent mom who has overcome adversity and demonstrate resiliency. She's a business leader with proven success. She has transformed her life and the life of her daughter with dignity and grace. She's a role model for her children. She's a mentor and an advocate of single women, single moms. She demonstrates by example that if she can do it, others can do it too.
Many thank you to everybody. Page 3 Excellence Awards to Payal and Brijesh. Thank you so much. You all are beautiful and the men are handsome. Clap for all of them. I have been the सबसे छोटा बच्चा at my parents' house. We are 3 siblings. सबसे naughty. कभी मेरी एक अनश्योरिटी ने मुझे मेरी लाइफ लीड करने को मजबूर किया है एवरी टाइम. 12-13 साल की थी. आई वांटेड टू बी अ मजिशियन. मन करता था जादू करूं, शायद कुछ मिरेकल हो जाएगा, सच में कुछ हो जाएगा. 2 साल के बाद वांटेड टू बिकम अ मॉडल. बॉलीवुड जाना था. राजपूत फैमिली को बिलोंग करती हूँ. पुलिस वाले की बेटी हूँ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी देम नाउ बिकॉज दे हैव गॉन. सो माय डैड हैज आल्सो बीन, he has encountered lot of people and I have an incident to share. मैं एक बार actually उनके साथ encounter जीप में थी and he was running behind the man who was on a horse and me and my mother were sitting behind. This was just so random. He got a call on the wireless and we all had to run. मतलब उस दिन मैंने जिंदगी और मौत देखी है लिटरली. बहुत छोटी उम्र में, 17 साल की उम्र में. बहुत कुछ बनने की तैयारी करी. डॉक्टर बनना था. फिर सोचा शिट यार 10 साल पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. डेंटिस्ट पे आ गई. एग्जाम भी दिया, क्वालिफाई भी किया, बट नहीं किया. डांसर बनना था. पैशन है बहुत ज्यादा. मतलब आज भी अगर टिप टिप बरसा पानी चल जाएगा तो शायद आई स्टार्ट डांसिंग. So that is some passion. आज भी मैं I keep on training myself on yoga. I have done aerial yoga training as well. करते I came into HR. शादी हो गई 22 साल की उम्र में. And first I got a baby at the age of 24. Unfortunately lost him. Then I lost the marriage. Divorced. माँ बनने का जुनून था, मन था दिल से. So I adopted a child, a daughter. She's 8 years old now. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मुझे encourage करते हैं, motivate करते हैं. From my family to my colleagues to my boss and to my friends. Lot of them. I mean inspiration की हद नहीं है. आप शायद अपने काम वाले से भी इंस्पायर हो सकते हो और शायद एक बिजनेस लीडर, हॉलीवुड, wherever you talk about. मुझे तो लगता है कि शायद अब मेरा मन धीरे धीरे करने लगा है नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देखते हुए कि शायद मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर ना बन जाऊं कुछ टाइम के बाद. So आपका पैशन कभी मरना नहीं चाहिए. You should keep thinking. Somewhere it will lead you. Maybe slowly, but definitely it will lead. It will lead. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
So much, ma'am. Khushida ma'am, you have to be here. Yeah. So we have another award for Rashna Dave Health and Wellness Award. Mission saves here. Vision saves our future. Vision shows us the way. Vision needs vision builders. It's the vision builders who see the possibility that are supported by education. They see knowledge as a gateway to get us there. This businesswoman is a vision leader who enables others to live up their confidence to help make their dreams come true.